So I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter of the Ford EcoSport, the mini SUV. The clip, just two clips, one here and another one here. You can see because of light, right here. Loosen it. One here, loosen it. And this. Yeah, just lift it up like this. See the air filter? Let me show you. Just move the wire out of the way. You don't need to unplug it. See the air filter? It's right there. Very simple. Lift it up. This is OEM to pink one. Take it out. Throw away the old one. Put another one in. OEM too. And then on this side, tap here, one here, and down there. Let me show you. Tap right there, then another one in the back. All you do is just line up here. Another one there, right there. Just line up. Push it down. Look at that. And then the clip here. One clip. Two clip. That's it. Well secure. Simple, easy job. Alright, thank you. That's how you replace the engine air filter of 2001 Ford EcoSport.